Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So guys, in today's video what we are seeing how we can call stored procedure for select operation using Dapper. So when you want to use Dapper, what you have to do is you have to first go to project and go to manage nugget packages, and then you have to install this package Dapper. And once you install this package, now you can go on the controller. So here guys, for using Dapper we need one SQL connection. So I am passing the connection string from web config here, and this connection string we are using for getting the connection. So if you want to use procedure, then you have to pass the procedure name here. So this procedure name is that we created in the database. So it requires one parameter id, and this is the parameter. So how you will pass the parameter is you will create one dynamic parameter like this, and we will add the parameter name here and the value that we want to pass. Okay, now you can add multiple parameters also. If you have many parameters in the procedure, you can use multiple parameters here, and then we will pass this parameters object into the here. Okay, so now the next thing that we have to do is we have to add the command type here to say command type dot stored procedure, so that it will know that it is a stored procedure and these are the parameters. Okay, so now we will just run the application to see if this works. So you can pass the class here of like if you know which type of data you will get, then you can pass the object here, the class here. Okay, so it will convert the data into this class object, and then you will get this in the customer variable. So you can see that we have added the parameters here. It says one parameter, and then we will just execute the procedure, and in the object we will get the data. Okay, so this is the same data that you will just see. You can see here the first record. So this is the data that we are seeing on the screen. So this is how you can use the stored procedure into Dapper. So let us know if you face any kind of issue. So thank you guys.